Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 64 Chevelle, kind of show you everything that works. I can show you the horn. Put it in neutral. Sounds good. Wipers, they work. There you go. Currently the blower fan isn't hooked up, but the radio works right there, you see, inside a building. Gas gauge is currently showing a little over 3/4, so it must work. Oil pressure gauge up close 60 because it's cold. You see the temperature's cold there. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. The indicator doesn't work, but the blinker does. And I'll leave that on to show you. Good sounding dual exhaust. Runs like a watch. Appears to have a crate motor in it. There's no tag, no stamping on the plate. They added front disc brakes. Just a manual steering car. We've got a aluminum radiator, nice Holly card, HEI ignition. So just a nice way to build a car. There's your headlights in there. You can see your blinker. Taillight work on it the way it looks. So just got it in, so we'll get a couple of them things addressed. 605-695-7391.